Ladies and gentlemen, imagine standing amidst the ruins of what was once a flourishing aspect of your life. It could be your career, or relationship, or your personal dreams. Everything appears shattered, scattered like fragments of glass across the floor of your existence. Yet, here you stand, amidst the chaos, with the power to rebuild. Rebuilding yourself is not just about repairing what was lost, it's about discovering something new, something perhaps even better than before. It's about transforming your lowest points into foundations for something greater. It's about taking the scattered fragments and creating a mosaic that tells a story of resilience and renewal. Remember, every challenge carries a seed of opportunity. The very act of rebuilding is an affirmation of strength, a testament to your ability to rise from the ashes like a phoenix. It's about not just returning to what was, but evolving into what can be. So how do we start? Begin by embracing the fact that rebuilding is a process, not a destination. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and above all, vision. Picture the person you want to become and start laying down the bricks to shape this new self. With each brick laid, you affirm your commitment to growth and to your new path. Surround yourself with people who support your journey, those who see the phoenix within you, ready to rise. Lean on them when the bricks feel too heavy, when the vision seems too far. Remember, the strongest structures often need the most hands to build. And as you move forward, carry with you the lessons from your past. Let them not be weights, but wings that lift you towards your new horizon. You are not starting from scratch, you are starting from experience, and that is a powerful launching point. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey of rebuilding yourself is not easy. It demands courage, it demands effort, and above all, it demands hope. But it is also one of the most rewarding journeys you can undertake. It leads to a place where you can look back at the ruins, not with regret, but with gratitude, for they provided the ground upon which you rebuilt your life. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and tips on self-growth. Begin your journey to personal development today, and let us help you find the motivation you need to rebuild and transform. Thank you.